Welcome back, guys. Okay, so this is another episode by Tarmac Sportz. They've sent us the fourth brake light. So what that is the fog light that you have in the back bumper. You can completely change it, and you can change that to be a brake light, so that every time you brake, as you imagine, it flashes up. The best thing about it as well, it's also got a section in the middle, which is for a reverse light, so you'll get to see a lot more when you're reversing back. And as you know, with the 370, visibility is a bit of an issue. The thing is, it completely eliminates the fog light. Now, if you're in the United Kingdom, you're going to need a fog light for your MOT. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an installation guide for this fourth brake light and show you guys how you can actually use this as a fog light, a brake light, a reverse light, eliminate the side light. So if you're in the United States, you don't need to. You can just carry on using it as you would. There's no reason to change anything. So rather than me just standing here talking to you guys, you had that last episode on the Wash Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was pretty funny looking at all the old pictures. Link up here somewhere if you decide to watch it again. Let's just flip the camera around, get straight to the unboxing, and just get it fitted. Let's just do this right now. Whew, that's it done. It's decided to stop raining now, which sucks because we pretty much installed this during a little rainstorm, which it's not good. We need a garage. We're working on it. The installation of the light isn't actually that tricky. The thing is that because for UK regulation and MOTs and stuff, I didn't want to have to like pull it out and explain why I don't have a rear fog light and all that bullshit. Hey! So what we've done is, instead of using the side light feature, we just flipped it and we used the side light feature as a fog light. So through the video you'll see, and I'll leave a little comment down below in the description, like a little step-by-step tutorial and guide on how you can actually do it yourself. If you're in America, I don't think you guys actually need rear fog lights, so you just go ahead, join the colours to the colours, and you guys are golden. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It should be instructional. I don't know if it's going to be as instructional as it should be. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We definitely enjoyed making it in the cold, wet rain. You guys appreciate that, so it doesn't matter to us. And until next time, guys, feel free to subscribe if that's something that you're into, hopefully. If not, give my video a like. And if you're fancying something pretty cool, check out the rest of the videos. Playlists and all that good stuff somewhere around here or in the description. You know where to look. 2 videos previously up top. Click them, check them out. It's something good, you're going to be interested. And until next time, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Woo, I forgot. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Subscribe and like the video.